Imagine this, you're driving, music is on, life is good, and then bam. The car makes a terrible noise and sputters to a stop. Smoke is coming from the hood. That sinking feeling in your stomach, right? Now, picture the same scene, but instead of panic, you feel a sense of calm. You know you've got this covered because you have a financial safety net. That's the power of an emergency fund. And today, I'm going to show you how to build yours faster than you ever thought possible. Our first goal is to hit that crucial $1,000 milestone. It's the first step towards true financial peace of mind. Let's get started. So, where do we begin? We start with what I call the starter emergency fund. Forget those intimidating recommendations of saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses for now. That can feel like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. The goal here is simple and achievable. Get your first $1,000 saved. This isn't your forever fund, it's your own now. The tire just blew out fund. It's the buffer that stops a minor inconvenience from turning into a major financial crisis. Think of it as your financial first aid kit. It's designed to handle those smaller, unexpected bumps in the road so you don't have to whip out a credit card and go into debt. Hitting this $1,000 target builds momentum and confidence. It proves to you that you can save money, and it creates a powerful foundation for building a larger fund later on. It's about taking that first powerful step towards financial security. Alright, now for the fun part, finding money you didn't even know you had. We're going on a financial treasure hunt, and it's called the Audit. Grab your last 3 months of bank and credit card statements. Yes, all of them. We're going to go through them line by line. Get a few different colored highlighters. With the first color, highlight all your essential, non-negotiable expenses. These are things like your rent or mortgage, utilities, and core grocery bills. With a second color, I want you to highlight all those sneaky subscriptions and recurring memberships. That gym you haven't been to in 6 months, highlight it. The 5 different streaming services, highlight them. You'll be amazed at how much these little charges add up. Finally, with a third color, highlight all the wants, the takeout, the morning coffees, the online shopping sprees. No judgment here, just awareness. This audit isn't about making you feel guilty. It's about giving you a crystal clear picture of where your money is actually going. This is the raw data we need to build our plan. Once you've completed your audit, it's time to turn that data into a powerful tool. We're going to build a smart budget calculator. Don't worry, you don't need to be a spreadsheet wizard. Open up Google Sheets or Excel. Let's create a few simple columns. Label the first one category. Here, you'll list out everything from your audit, rent, groceries, gas, subscriptions, dining out, and so on. The next column is budgeted amount. Based on your audit, set a realistic spending goal for each category for the upcoming month. Be honest with yourself. If you know you can cut your takeout bill in half, put that new, lower number here. The next column is actual spend. Throughout the month, you'll track your spending and input the real numbers here. The final, and most magical, column is difference. This column will have a simple formula, budgeted amount minus actual spend. This instantly shows you if you're over or under budget in each category. At the very bottom, create a total savings cell. This will sum up all the positive differences, showing you exactly how much extra cash you've freed up to rocket launch your emergency fund. This isn't just a budget, it's a dynamic game where you challenge yourself to save. Now that we've optimized your spending, let's talk about supercharging your income. We want to get to that $1,000 goal fast, right? So let's open up a second front. First, look around your home. Your clutter is someone else's treasure, and it's cash waiting to be unlocked. That old guitar in the corner, the video games you haven't played in years, the clothes you swore you'd wear one day. It's time to sell them. Use platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or eBay. Take clear, well-lit photos, write honest descriptions, and price them fairly. You could easily make a few $100s this weekend just by decluttering. Next, let's explore the world of gig work. Think about the skills and time you have. Can you walk dogs with Rover? Deliver food with DoorDash or Uber Eats for a few hours on a Saturday? Are you good at assembling furniture? Sign up for a service like TaskRabbit. The key is to dedicate all the earnings from these side hustles directly to your emergency fund. Don't let it get mixed in with your regular spending money. This is your fast-track cash. Combining a lean budget with this extra income is the secret sauce to hitting your savings goal in record time. The final piece of the puzzle is the most crucial for long-term success: automation. Willpower is a finite resource. If you have to manually move money into savings each payday, life will get in the way, and you'll forget. We need to make saving effortless. Here's what you do: open a separate, high-yield savings account at a completely different bank than your primary checking account. This is important. We want this money to be out of sight, out of mind. It makes it harder to dip into for non-emergencies. Next, log into your payroll system or your main bank account and set up an automatic, recurring transfer. Decide how much you can afford to save from each paycheck, even if it's just $25 or $50 to start, and schedule that transfer to happen the day after you get paid. This way, you pay yourself first, before you even have a chance to spend it. The money for your emergency fund is whisked away automatically. You won't miss what you don't see. This single habit is the most powerful thing you can do to build wealth over time. It puts your savings on autopilot, ensuring you're consistently making progress towards your goal without even thinking about it. We've covered a lot today. From the power of a starter fund to auditing your finances, building a smart budget, boosting your income, and the magic of automation. This isn't just about saving $1,000. This is about you taking control. It's about changing your relationship with money from one of stress and anxiety to one of confidence and empowerment. That feeling of knowing you have a safety net, that you can handle a surprise expense without derailing your life, that's true freedom. You have the tools, you have the roadmap. The only thing left to do is to start. Take that first step today. You can absolutely do this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building your best financial life. See you next time.